In this video, I'll be showing how to check the horizontals if they're modeled incorrectly, whether they're captured or in Visio. Now the process is the same as you would check the verticals. Basically, you'll need to check the Jumpstart Package 3 proposal drawings and find out what kind of horizontals are being used, and then check the sales model and make sure that the horizontals match the proposal drawings. So we'll open up our Jumpstart Package 3, which is this, and then go to check the horizontals. And here we can see that it has Inviso head, Inviso sill, and check the other horizontal drawings, and Inviso stack joint, Inviso intermediate horizontal, and Inviso soffit condition, Inviso right here, another Inviso head in the parapet cap, Inviso stack joint again, and then Inviso intermediate for the transom head, Inviso right here, and then another Inviso, slope soffit, slope intermediate, Inviso, and Inviso. So basically it's the same as with the verticals. They're all Inviso for this project. And now we'll proceed on to the sales model. So if you go to the sales model, one way to check is to open up the takeoff browser, or you can check manually by cutting sections, but that'll take too long, and this is way faster. So as I said before, captured is C and Inviso is I, and they're usually at the last. They're the last letters usually in the aliases. So here we can see that some of the head condition, like this head opening, is captured. Now the head opening, and according to the Jumpstart package, is Inviso, as well as the intermediate horizontal captured, or they're all supposed to be Inviso. And then the sills and the stack joints. Sills are supposed to be all Inviso, but there's some that's captured right here. And the stack joints, they're looking okay because they're both I. And then there's another sill here that's captured. And then that's Inviso. Transom head, there's a transom head that's captured here when they're supposed to be Inviso. And then you can see that some of the horizontals here are modeled incorrectly. So you would go back to the sales model checklist and then mark this as no, and then say what's wrong. And here we can put some of the horizontals are not modeled correctly based on Jumpstart Package 3, and that's how you would check. Thank you.